that, but I'm pretty sure that $5 chip wasn't that lady. It was whoever won the pop before that. I don't know who it was. It wasn't me, it wasn't you, but it was someone.
This guy's all over the road.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Like all over the road. I gotta get over and oh Jesus Christ. Are you texting or are you drunk? I gotta get over, but I
wouldn't go in, yeah, be very careful.
yeah, I'm trying, and this guy's like, alright, I guess I'm gonna break then and let you go past me, because, yeah.
You could go past you and you're just driving like that, and I don't want to be near him.
Thanks, buddy. I don't want to go anywhere near that other guy, though. Yeah. Right here, right?
Yeah, yep.
I swore he was about to. Yeah, he is. He is. I knew it.
Great.
Fuck.
Just go slow behind him. Just don't go near him.
That's him right here.
Yep. Pay attention when you go by.
Yep. See ya.
Texting. He's on his phone.
See ya.
Literally
Bye.
like